Good day, y'all. Good day, good day, good day. Hope y'all having a blessed Sunday. Today's Sunday, the one after the 9th. I can't remember which one it was, but hey, happy Sunday to y'all. Today's video, giving the plants some love. I've been neglecting them, that thing right there, but they actually get some love. I already did. I spent like 45 minutes on the sugar cane and the orchard trees back there. Give it a little water soak in, go back all over again. Now I'm gonna come over here, give these a good soak in. I'll leave the weed in for next week because you see some weeds coming up in there. And I used the weed eater and just tore all that up because I'm gonna put weed barrier down between it to minimize the amount of weeding I have to do. I have to cut that with a lawnmower. I'm gonna get in there and get that done. But hold up, today's video is actually about moving the trampoline. They have a new toy, the pool. So now they don't want a trampoline. So somebody's gonna take it from me. I have to go and take this fence portion apart, which was supposed to divide it from my garden. And when the trampoline is gone, take a wild guess what's gonna happen. Take a wild guess what that space. Take a wild guess, because eating healthy is my biggest thing. All right, so let me get to finish giving these guys some water, give them some love, and we actually jump into what today's video is about. Let's do what I came out here to do. All right, that's done. I need to go get the socket to take these bolts out of these posts, and we'll be ready. Let me go get everybody who's sitting on the behinds to come help, and this will be cleared out. I can start preparations for next year. Yeah. And just like that, it's ready to go. I'm gonna put something over these, make sure nobody trips, because we're about to move it right now. Well, about the next 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna go put these in the fire. They're rotting in the bottom. And whole new view. We gotta watch our step over here. There's metal things coming out of the ground. So we could get, let me move this. Let's run into wood. Go to right. Pass that hole yet? The big hole? Yeah. Keep going. Now think about how many beds I can fit here. Oh yes, of course, from this post holder in the ground to the retaining wall pool, it's gonna be a walkway. But I can fit like 8, 9 beds in here. And I'll go ahead and finish the retaining wall coming all the way over to that block. So no more step to step down, just garden beds. I'm so excited. Next year is gonna be, oh yeah, kids got their pool. Greenhouse is somewhat done. Plastic didn't hold up to the Florida sun, and I'm just go ahead and sheet the whole thing. I need to go pick up more of these to do the roof, and I might do that the next couple of videos. I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside the greenhouse so the sun doesn't melt them. my son traded me something very valuable that I wasn't using at the time for a set. Well, for the sheets to finish the roof for the greenhouse. And he has yet to fulfill that. So I'm gonna just put these in here. Give my little son. Whenever I get the rest to finish. But man, transformation. So think about it. Post here, post over there to the right of the mango tree, post over the end where the retaining wall where that shrub is, another post here in line with that. So one here where I'm standing, one there, one by the retaining wall, and nothing but shade like what's on the greenhouse over it. Next year we're doing it Texas style. We're going big. We're just gonna go big. Only other thing I got lined up, and it's gonna take a minute, is moving that over here, which is one of the reasons why the trampoline went so quickly, so I can use that tarp to put at the bottom of that, because there's something digging a hole under it. We can't have that. And then where all my tools and cabinets and stuff are right now is gonna be where my backyard shenanigans are gonna happen. We don't know when that's gonna happen, because that is a big cost, like huge. Might not be astronomical to some people, but 16K is a lot to me. I'm not monetized, not getting paid from YouTube, and from what I heard, unless you're hitting like 500K views on a video and all that, you're not making much, you know. So I'm gonna keep having my fun, keep bringing you guys all this great footage and show you what's going on. So hey, hope you enjoyed today's episode of Nailed It Projects, and another one in the books. So catch you guys next video.